Alright, we are in Gause, Texas, I believe. Yeah, G-A-U-S-E. And here's their little post office where we're going to start our trip. A very, very tiny town. But there's something there to look at, and we're going to take a look. If only for a few minutes. And look at that. We got our taqueria. Get your tacos in Gause, Texas. Just waiting for you. As you can see, there's the railroad. Now this is definitely a derelict town. Probably just isn't enough people over here to make it vibrant. That happens. But it has some of its old buildings. This place has good bones. That's an interesting old house. It might have been a restaurant. And there is River Rat Relics. Harold's Mercantile Eat and Drink Shop, whatever. Okay, cool. You can barely see the Coca-Cola logo on this side of this building. Oh, there's the fire department over there. Gause does have a corner store though, a little grocery, so it's not that derelict. And they sell live bait, which is great, because live bait works better than soft plastics and lures, in my opinion. There you go, Coates Grocery and Market. But it's not open on Sunday. No shoes, no shirt, no service. Dang it. That means I can't go in at any time because I like to walk around naked. Okay. This is Gause, Texas. Quick trip in this little town with a taqueria and a grocery store, post office, and traffic passing through at 80 miles per hour. I encourage you, if you're driving through, to stop in this little town, give them some money, buy a Coke, buy a taco. Alright, thanks everybody. Remember, you are all dearly loved. Just came across this on my way out of Gause. It's a little small building. This building has bars in the window. So is this the Gause jail? Is this the one-man jail of the town? Yeah, a little graffiti, beer cans. I don't know. What do y'all think? What was this building used for? All right, see you everyone.